Steelseries has a rich history of making high quality gaming accessories, and that continues with the brand new Stratus Plus, designed specifically for Android and Chromebook and certified for usage with channel sponsor Nvidia GeForce Now. Let's take a look at what's in the box and analyse some of this gamepad's key functions and features. Thanks for watching 9to5Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Just opening up the box, bundled into this package is a dedicated folding smartphone mount that fits snugly into the Stratus Plus with two metal prongs and making the Bluetooth accessory ideal for a multitude of your favourite devices. Steelseries is also kind enough to provide a charging cable, even if you can already use your existing Android USB-C cable 2 here to keep your gamepad charged, meaning that you don't need to carry multiple format cables to keep gaming. Of course, the main event is naturally the Steelseries Stratus Plus controller, which feels like a fusion of all of the best gamepads around. So this is a high quality peripheral through and through, and with the paid for RTX 3080 membership, we think there is no better way to experience true high quality gaming experiences on the go than with GeForce Now and with the Steelseries Stratus Plus. On top of that, you have a few extra benefits over the competition with this gamepad that might make it the everyday ideal companion. The beauty of PC gaming in general is the ability to use a multitude of peripherals with all of your favourite games. The Stratus Plus includes what we would consider a familiar button layout that mimics classic controllers, so that when you're playing your favourite titles on cloud services like GeForce Now or even some local Android games, everything is right where it needs to be and you can just enjoy games as intended without confusing button configurations. Most controller smartphone mounts clip onto the controller itself, which causes a couple of problems. Firstly, these can damage your controller and in turn damage your phone. The smartphone mount on the Steelseries Stratus Plus connects using metal prongs that plug into the top of the gamepad, and we have to say it's deceptively sturdy, plus you've got the benefit of being able to remove and fold this little extra flat so it fits in your pocket or even in your bag. Sure, you may play games on your phone, but the beauty of cloud gaming is that your Chromebook can access an RTX 3080 gaming rig in the cloud. Sync the Stratus Plus with your Chromebook and it's a dual-purpose everyday accessory courtesy of that stable Bluetooth low-energy connection. One thing we will say is that a lot of cheap gamepads out there do suffer with loose or slack analog sticks that make precise movement almost impossible. The Stratus Plus analog sticks though, they're nice and robust with a precise feel like a regular console gamepad. They also click in just how they ought to, which is great for L3 and R3 commands in games that do support the additional input option. The triggers and shoulder buttons feature smooth actuation too, which is perfect for fast-paced RTS titles and FPS games where reaction times can mean game on versus game over. You'll also get 90 hours of play with a full charge of the Steelseries Stratus Plus, which is more than enough to tackle even the longest transatlantic flights out there now that the world is opening up. A quick 15-minute charge with your smartphone charger and USB-C cable, and you'll even get yourself and net yourself a further 12 hours of playtime. With all of the clout and usability of a traditional console gamepad, but tailored specifically for your portable tech, the Stratus Plus is the ideal extra for use with Nvidia GeForce Now when gaming on your Chromebook or your Android phone. Don't take our word for it though, you need to try this out for yourself and then try the GeForce Now service by heading over to geforcenow.com or via the link in the description below. And to get the latest and greatest gaming news each and every week, be sure to check out the GeForce Now Thursday blog posts, which celebrate all things PC gaming. And thanks to Nvidia for sponsoring this first look at the Steelseries Stratus Plus right here on the 9to5Google YouTube channel.